this evening, unless you're Luke Vickery, he loves this. But if you're outside working or playing, it's a Ranby factor of 4 unpleasant out there. But he begged for the opportunity to be out there on that Bob Carey pedestrian bridge to experience this kind of, it's like a hurricane, really, in a sense. Still have the high wind warning until 6 o'clock this evening for much of the area. So far, our high has been 45 after a low of 19, so above average after a couple of very cold days, and many cold days on the way in the forecast. No precipitation yet today. Of course, we had that 0.86 total. Here's what Julie's talking about. See how the clouds and also the sky looks a little dingy out to the northeast from our camera here at H&H Kia. That's some of the dust still visible in the air, especially now east of Omaha. It's 36, so we've really dropped. We were 45 just a couple of hours ago, and that milder air is now down in Maryville and Falls City. And here we are at 36, and it's down to freezing in Norfolk and Denison. Air is really, really dry, and the winds are out of the northwest, but not as strong already as they were earlier when they gusted to 70 miles an hour in Tekamah, 59 in Omaha, now 38 here, 51 currently in Denison. So still strong, and Creston, Iowa has that gust to 59 miles per hour. Not much showing up on dual pulse Super Doppler 7 radar. You see the clouds and even some of the dust kind of shows up like this on the satellite pictures sweeping off to the east. Just a little disturbance, but you can see how wrapped up it is. See that twisting going on there? That transferred the momentum of the air from mid-levels to the ground and gave us the really strong winds. Well, very quickly as that moves out, the winds will diminish this evening. High pressure settles in. Tomorrow morning, pretty much like a typical January morning. Some clouds, a little chilly, but by later in the day, by 5 o'clock, the north winds are going to be blowing, temperatures dropping, and they just keep blowing tomorrow night. And this is that extremely cold polar Yukon cold rush air that's coming in, and it's dry. So we're going to get clouds in here, and the question is, will snow work in here from the west? A few computer models hint that that's a possibility Friday night and into Saturday, though we've seen a lot of situations where the cold air is just so dry that the snow never makes it down to the ground here in Omaha. So something to watch. 15 tonight as the winds subside. Tomorrow, seasonable through midday, and then the north winds blow, and we start dropping. You'll notice it by 4, but by 7, it will really be cold, and we could have a sub-zero wind chill tomorrow evening. So we have that as an impact day for tomorrow evening, getting so much colder. Severe cold on Friday, sub-zero wind chill, but yeah, it could be 25, 26, 28 below zero for that wind chill in Omaha on Friday morning, and real possibility that schools will cancel because of the cold. Then there's that chance, maybe Friday night and Saturday, of some light snow. And if we got an inch or two, that would make the temperatures probably 10 degrees colder than what we're forecasting there for into Sunday and Monday.
We're talking about dangerous temperatures.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Bill.
Well, it's been bitterly cold recently.